Welcome back to Quick How To's, the fastest tech tutorials on YouTube. Option 1 is uploading the correct video. So I'm going to go up to this little create button up here and press upload video. Then I'm going to pull in my corrected video. And now I'm going to click reuse details. So the video that was messed up before, I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to say reuse. And now I'm reusing all of the details from the previous video. Let's say I don't want to lose any views on the video and I just need to cut out a little bit of the video. I'm going to exit out of this. I'm going to go to my old video, click edit, then come over here to editor. First thing you're going to do is you're going to press trim. Then you're going to grab this little vertical bar and move it to the start point of your trim. You're going to press split. Then you're going to grab this little vertical blue bar and then pull it to the place you want the split to end. Then you're going to press preview. Then if this is good, you can press save. And you'll receive this little warning. It may take a few hours for your changes to apply. During that time, viewers will see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to the video. You press save. And then the video is processing. So those are two ways you can keep the detail of your video. One, you have to re-upload your video, and the other one, you get to keep your video, but you can only cut out snippets of your video.